If you're watching this, it's because you're awesome, and you're about to learn something that makes you even more awesome. So you use your Tubebuddy to make your thumbnails, or you might even have a different program that you use to make your thumbnails. So you're thinking, I don't need Tubebuddy, I've got this other program to make my thumbnails. But what about using Tubebuddy to have access to all these keywords and get your keywords done so much quicker? Because you see, it gives you all these keyword suggestions here, quite a few of which I've used on this video right here. Now, this is my real life video for my other channel, and this is me real life using the Tubebuddy for this stuff. So I get these keywords done so much quicker. Now if you have the free version of keywords, these will be like shadow, and you'll get to see the ones on the very top. But if you've got the lowest paid version of Tubebuddy, like I do, you know, even at like $5 a month, if you're under 1,000 subscribers, it's $5 a month. For me, I'm over 1,000 subscribers, so it's like $9 or $10 a month. You get all the rest of the keywords and a bunch of other features, but you get a bunch of features even in the free version. Even if you don't want to spend any money right now, just hit the link in the description and go ahead and get the Tubebuddy. Now here's another thing I'm going to show you that I use. It says here with the Tubebuddy thing, it says best practices. And when I started this, it had like 8 different things on here. No, 9, because it says 8 out of 9 best practices complete. I've done all the 8 things. It's kind of like a little checklist here, or a reminder list to remind you of the things you need to do. And then I don't have to pull out my list, which I do have a list. It has saved me from making a lot of mistakes, because you want to get all these things done before you hit public. Because if you hit public, your first 24 hours starts ticking away. And the first 24 hours is when Google promotes your video the most. And so you want your video to be at its best within that first 24 hours, because that can make the difference between whether your video goes viral or not, or gets a big healthy bunch of views and a lot of view time. Now look at this last practice right here. This is the only thing I do after I go ahead and hit public, because you know, unless your video is already public, you can't really share it. And this is another checklist. This takes you to another checklist that Tubebuddy has called a share tracker. Now this is just so neat. I love this thing. I use it on every single video, just like all this other Tubebuddy stuff. Look in our description for a link to download your own Tubebuddy for free. In our next awesome Tubebuddy tutorial, we'll show you how to use the share tracker. Like all the other great features in Tubebuddy, Share Tracker will save you lots of time and trouble while managing your YouTube channel. Tubebuddy works best in the Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching our videos.
Gracias por ver nuestros videos. Hi, we're so glad you're here at Sane Enterprises.
This is Carol Sane.
And this is Victor Sane. Isn't he adorable? We're here to help you and the rest of the Sane community grow.
And we're going to have fun helping you celebrate your victories with the whole community.
Woohoo!
I guess by now you've noticed, we're not just another average self-improvement channel.
We're a community.
And how do they join this community?
That's easy. There's this red button right there.
And then what happens?
It turns green.
Green means go!